Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to write a story on Substack. If you're looking to share your creative writing with an audience or build a newsletter around your storytelling, Substack makes the process incredibly straightforward. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and head over to substack.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving forward, as this will give you access to all the publishing tools you need. After logging in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Create. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Article. This is where you'll begin crafting your story, and it's the central hub for all your writing on Substack. Now you'll be taken to a blank editor page. The first thing you need to do is input a title for your story. This title should be catchy and give readers a clear sense of what your story is about. Think of it as the first impression your audience will have. Next, move down to the opening section and input an opening hook. This is arguably one of the most important parts of your story. A strong hook grabs your reader's attention immediately and makes them want to keep reading. Whether it's a compelling question, a vivid scene, or an intriguing statement, make it count. Now it's time to dive into the heart of your work. Input the body of your story in the main text area. This is where your narrative unfolds, your characters develop, and your plot thickens. Take your time here and craft it thoughtfully, as this is the bulk of what your readers will engage with. Once you finish the body, input the ending of your story. A satisfying conclusion ties everything together and leaves your readers with something to think about. Whether it's a twist, a resolution, or an open ending, make sure it feels complete. After you finish writing, click Continue on the upper right corner. This will take you to the publishing settings where you can fine-tune how your story is shared. You'll now see an option labeled Allow Comments From. Here you can choose either everyone or no one, depending on whether you want to open up a dialogue with your readers or keep the comment section closed. If you'd like to make your story easier to discover, you can add tags. This is optional, but it helps categorize your content and can attract the right audience. There's also an option to check schedule time to email and publish if you prefer to send your story out at a specific time rather than immediately. This is useful if you're planning your content in advance. Once you're satisfied with all your settings, click Send to Everyone Now. This will publish your story and send it out to your subscribers. Finally, you'll be prompted to choose either Add Subscriber button or Publish Without buttons. The subscriber button encourages new readers to join your list, so it's a good option if you're looking to grow your audience. And that's it. You've successfully written and published a story on Substack. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.